Hi everyone, before we end our 2020, I would like to grant my own wish that I did 4 years ago after seeing your comments under my first recorded video of Oh Penne from what movie is that? Vanakam Chennai. Yeah, Vanakam Chennai the Oh Penne பாட்டுக்காக நான் வந்து ஒரு recorded song செஞ்சிருந்தேன். அதில் ஒரு few peoples வந்து extra tutorial கேட்டிருந்தீங்க, வேறு பாட்டோட கேட்டிருந்தீங்க. ஸோ என்னோட மைண்டில் வந்து முதல்ல இந்த வீடியோ செய்யும்போது இந்த தாட்ஸ்லாம் எனக்கு இல்லை. செய்யணும்னு தோணுச்சு, நான் செஞ்சேன். Since I have no time and space, so it took a very long time to do that. So here we are. Let's do this. But I'll just go very slow. I tend to do mistakes because I'm not good at this. I'm just a self-learner with the basic knowledge. So let's go. So that's it. It's a very basic way to learn it. I hope you guys can learn anything, at least a few lines from this song. And good luck, happy new year, and all the best for 2020.